My name's Tony Lux, Boulevard Brewing Company, purveyor of technology. The Pano boxes are used in all facets of manufacturing. They start in the brew house, so we brew beer with the Panos. Then they go to fermentation, where the beer is aged. They're used in filtration to filter the beer, and then they're also used on the bottle line to package the beer.
The product is definitely easy to deploy. It's literally, you set the MAC address and you're done. I mean, a device breaks, you get the new MAC address, reassign it, plug it in, you're ready to go. That's the config.
The other reason we chose Pano is because some of the locations where the users need access has to be in a washdown environment to be able to spray it. And we have to put those inside of a cabinet that's chemical proof and waterproof and all that, with touchscreens that are waterproof and chemical proof. And I chose Pano because of the simple management, the low cost, and a great desktop experience for my end users.
Hi, I'm Diana Seepy. I'm the Director of Technology at the Little Chute Area School District in Little Chute, Wisconsin. Little Chute has about 1,500 students in 3 different schools, 1 elementary, 1 middle, and 1 high school. We've used PanoLogic systems in the different writing labs, 1 or 2 writing labs in each school for student access. We also have PanoLogic systems in the different libraries in high school and middle school. Students basically don't notice the difference. When they sit down, they have a keyboard and mouse. They may notice that the desktop itself is missing, but when they log on, their experience is basically the same as a PC. All their applications are there as if they were sitting down at a regular computer. The savings for the PanoLogic device is not just hardware savings or energy savings. We've also saved numerous man hours in the tech department. Imaging panos becomes a much simpler process. A process that normally would take us days to do now can be done in an hour. I do recommend the Pano devices, and I have recommended the Pano devices to my peers. I think this is a worthwhile investment for any district or any school that's looking to go virtual.
My name is Andrew Fuss. I'm the manager of technology and engineering for Charter Care Health Partners, which is here in Providence, Rhode Island, and it includes Roger Williams Medical Center and St. Joseph Health Services of Rhode Island. As we took a look at our virtualization strategy, there's no doubt we had to go down and virtualize the desktop. So when we were at a VMware user group, I met and talked with a Pano rep about this exciting technology, the Zero Client. And that was really the genesis of us getting involved. It just made complete sense. We chose Pano because of the basics of the technology. It was simple. We're just putting an Ethernet port, a couple of USB ports, a VGA connector on a desk, and connecting that back to the virtual machine. So the end user device is just a piece of metal, which is what we really liked. So with just that piece of metal, there's nothing to manage on that desktop. So it can all be done remotely.
I'm Paul Desjardins. I'm the systems architect for the city of Denton in Denton, Texas. One of the issues that we were battling with when we were going to virtualization was just a sprawl of resources. We needed more space, we needed more power, we needed more cooling, and we needed more connectivity, and we didn't have any more of any of those. And one of the reasons that we decided to go with PanoLogic specifically was really just implementation, productivity of a Zero Client. So the Pano remotes have been used extensively with the police department for a few months now. We've been able to give the officers a solution that they can use to very easily connect in to do their daily tasks, such as do reports or to even do your typical enterprise function of accessing shared folders, shared documents that they did not readily have available to them in the police car before. Now they're able to do them directly in the car without having to return, therefore allowing them more productive time to help citizens out in the field.
Hi, my name is Brian Walker. I'm the network manager with the University of North Texas at Dallas, right here in the heart of Dallas, Texas. When I first got to the university, I quickly realized that I was spending a lot of time and effort in just trying to update computer labs, keep them updated, keeping them up and running. I came across PanoLogic's website and started doing research and reviews on PanoLogic and found that that was going to be a really good fit for us and help us bring up a desktop virtualization environment. 3 reasons why I chose PanoLogic. One was their their willingness to help me out in my desktop virtualization project. A second reason for choosing PanoLogic was definitely cost savings around virtual desktop environment. And third, the green aspects built into desktop virtualization environments. That's a big plus for us. We want to be leaders in the community and show the community around us that we can save money through desktop virtualization and help the environment out as well. I would recommend Pano to other customers just simply because the product is fantastic. It's been very easy to work with. The technical staff and the support staff with PanoLogic has been great as well. Every time I've called, they've stepped up, answered my needs, answered my questions. For instance, I needed screws to be able to attach a Pano clients to the mounting brackets. Made a couple phone calls. I had 300 screws on my doorstep within 2 or 3 days. It's just little things like that that go a long way to proving that great relationship that we're establishing with PanoLogic.